Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. August Assembly Ayah for Day 9, Chapter number 39, Verse number 10. قُلْ يَا عِبَادِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا اتَّقُوا رَبَّكُمْ لِلَّذِينَ أَحْسَنُوا فِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا حَسَنَةٌ وَأَرْضُ اللَّهِ وَاسِعَةٌ إنما يوفى الصابرون أجرهم بغير حساب. Say, O my slaves, those who believe, fear your Lord. As we are going to through taqwa, that is the theme for the month is taqwa. So this is also ayah which is based on taqwa. For those who do good in this world, good. What is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala telling here? Those who do good will receive good. And the earth of Allah is spacious. What does this mean? Yes, if you are forced to do anything which is against the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you can emigrate, as the earth of Allah is very spacious. Only will be repaid in full the patient ones their reward without account. Okay, those who are patient, they will be repaid, means they will be given in full their reward without any account. Patient ones. Who are the patient ones? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in another ayah, Inna Allaha ma'as sabirin. Sabr karne wale. Okay, indeed Allah is with the patient ones. Here what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling, only those who are patient, they will be paid back in full their reward without any account. MashaAllah. May Allah make all of us from them, that is the patient ones. Ameen. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.